Hi, my name is Mike, and today we're going to be using PaintCode 3 and import the generated code inside a new Xcode project. I'm going to start with a single view application, name it PaintCode Test, and head on over to the main storyboard. From here I'm going to add in 3 images, some image views, open Apple D to duplicate, and start assigning their height. The first one I'm going to have as 32 by 32, 64 by 64 for the second, and finally an unconventional size of 305 by 305, and then drag it roughly to the center. I'm going to add some size constraints, so width and height. Last one. And add them all to a stack view. Over to the properties panel, I'm going to set the spacing to, let's try 25. And vertically and horizontally center it. Update the frames. Now that the scene is set up, I'm going to open my UI view controller, create a little bit of space, and start right-click and dragging the image views into the view controller so I can access them later. Once my scene is set up, I'm going to head on over to PaintCode 3. So once I'm here, I already have 8 icons set up. I'm going to go File and then export out the style kit. The project name does not have to match your Xcode name. Open up Finder, and I will be able to see the generated code right inside my project folder, which is stylekit.swift. I'm going to click and drag and drop it right into my project. Now I can start accessing the stylekit class. The first thing I'm going to need to do is get the bounds of each of the image views that are in my scene. The bounds are the height and the width values for each of these elements. So I'm going to start by getting the bounds of the small image view. Let small bounds equal small image dot bounds dot size, and the same for the other two. Medium image or medium bounds equals medium image dot bounds dot size, and finally let large bounds equal large image dot bounds dot size. Now that I have the height and the width of each of these image views, I'm going to start putting in the any image from my stylekit class into the image views, and I'm going to do this somewhat randomly. So small image dot image equals stylekit, accessing the class dot image of, and then I can pick one of the methods here that has the parameter image size. So let's open up image of box fill and then small bounds. Medium image dot image equals stylekit dot image of, let's do the telephone, and medium bounds. And finally, just as an example, I'm going to do large image dot image equals stylekit dot image of, and let's choose the box fill without the image size parameter. I'm going to change my simulator over to an iPhone 5 and run my app. Inside the simulator, you'll be able to see within the large image what happens if I don't calculate out the bounds of the large image view. So these two are nice and crisp. The third one looks like a raster image that is blown out of proportion. So let's go in and add the image size parameter, image size, large bounds, and run that. This will redraw the style kit image with the correct dimensions. Now it's nice and sharp. Alright, I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.